Hey YouTube, it's Manny. I recently built a new gaming PC, and you can find it in a video right here. One thing I didn't consider while purchasing the parts were the case fans. The Lee P011 Dynamic doesn't come with any case fans. So I've been running the machine with the side panel off because I'm a bit afraid of overheating. Other than the CPU, I didn't consider how the machine would be cooled at all. So I just recently sat down and did some research on how I'll do this. After a little research, I'm gonna go with 3 bottom intake fans, 3 side intake fans, and 3 top exhaust fans. So this seems like the best way to approach thermals on the Lee Dynamic case. I picked up 6 case fans to start with, and I'll be installing these as 3 of the bottom intakes and 3 side intakes. I'm in the process of picking out an all-in-one CPU cooler, but I haven't decided on which one yet. The all-in-one will have a 360 radiator and will be the top 3 exhaust fans. I'm actually leaning towards the NZXT Kraken Z78, mainly because of the LCD. The PC will be displayed behind me on stream, and I want to look cool. If you do have any suggestions on all-in-one, please let me know in the comments below. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. You can also find me on Twitch at twitch.tv/Maniocrity, where I stream Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evenings starting at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I typically play looter shooters or even survival games, and I always enjoy playing with viewers. So if you're looking for someone to run with, you can find me on the Militia Discord server. The link is in the description below. The fans I decided to go with are the Deep Cool CF120s. There are 3 in a pack, and they have addressable RGBs. These should work with the Gigabyte Fusion software, which I'm running, so I'll be able to customize the colors. They also come with a cable controller, but I won't need those since I'm going to be using the Gigabyte motherboard's controller. All right, so for now for the unboxing. So I got 2 of these, but we'll just unbox one of them because they're both going to be the same. Then we'll actually install them into the computer. So let's open it. First things first, decent little box. We got two security stickers, one on each side. This is the way. All right, the flap in the back. Let's see how they're packed. Rip the box a little bit. Usually happens with those. All right, so first things first, not bad. How do we get these out? So that's probably the cable controller. It's another little thing. And here's the three fans. And installation guide. All right, so this is just scrap. And in here, I'm willing to bet and there's also a security sticker on this. All right, these to the side for now. Yeah. Let's see yep, exactly what it is. All right, so we'll take this, and this, put it back in the box. All right, so I did a little more research just to make sure that I'm telling you the right things. This is just a 4-port fan hub for just controlling 4 fans. This is a 6-port that you do plug in for the LEDs. Now, it comes with 2 cables, and I guess it depends on, these are addressable, depends on which ones your motherboard's gonna have. This one has a ground, so it has it's a 5-volt with a ground. This one is just a VGD, I think it says, VDG. I'm not going to use this one. This is the one I'm going to use for my motherboard. I looked it up on the thing. And then, as I said before, this is just a controller. It plus minus mode, fans on and off. That's it. Plus the 3 sets of screws. So I just did a little more research, and it appears the fans exhaust this way. So the RGBs are visible. They planned on using this fan as an exhaust fan, so that way you have the fan mounted in your system like this so you get a good view of it. So I'm gonna mount it backwards. So I'll still see some of it, but it won't be quite as nice, but we'll see how it looks. All right, so we have it all plugged in, hooked up. Now we just got to power on, make sure the fans work, then the LEDs work. Power it up. The fans are blowing. They are set for intake. So they're drawing the air outside into the PC. LEDs are on. They're all orange. You can see I got orange LEDs. They're turning blue now because I have everything configured. The PC is now booted up, so now everything turned blue. I'll show you the Fusion software really quickly. So to start the Fusion software, we just go down the bottom. It's already running, so it's in here. Now, we're actually controlling the digital LEDs. This is the left side, the left side-mounted ones. So I can change them to green. Turn green. This bottom one here is my bottom set of fans, and we can change it, I don't know, to red. And they turn red. There's a whole bunch of other things like pulse, and then double flash. You can set it to whatever you want. I'm going to leave them static for now. I'll maybe do things differently in the future, but for now, it's just going to be static. Static and blue for now. Now, this controls the CPU LED. However, I'm using a different piece of software because, unfortunately, Fusion only controls the fan color, not the ring or the AMD logo. You'd have to use Coolmaster's Aurora's software to do that. And actually, so I'm not controlling it here. I've actually just controlling it through the USB bus. I have unplugged the RGB plug for the case fan. I'm sorry, for the CPU fan. And that's it, guys. That's all it is. Very easy, very simple. Control memory through here as well. And if you have an SLI bridge. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. If you'd like to see more content like this, then smash that subscribe button and also ding that notification bell so you know when I've posted a new video. And as I mentioned earlier, you can also follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/Maniocracy, where I stream Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evenings starting at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Till next time, YouTube, take it easy.